I've joined an incredible course called Leverage Your Art by Stacie Bloomfield. Now this is an exciting course that helps you to think about the ways that you can move your art in different directions, or where it could be useful rather than just being an original painting to sell. So I thought it'd be really interesting to have a little look at and see what things we can do with my art. And it comes with a box. Here's the box, and just to prove, leverage your art. It also says this wonderful quote, which is fantastic in my opinion. I Dwell in Possibility by Emily Dickinson. Now that is a great place to dwell, because there is possibility everywhere. So this has come over from America, where Stacie's from. So let's open this box. It's very safely packaged. I'm super excited. Apparently this is my course information. So let's get in and find out what we've got. Now I'm going to quickly flip this over. Turns out it opens this way. Oh wow! Oh my days! There's only a gingerbread tea towel in here. Oh, like so excited! I'm gonna get it all out so the box is out of the way. Not that it's not the most beautiful box covered in Stacie's artwork. Look at that. Gorgeous. Love those colours and the pop of pink. I'll pop that over there. Oops, spider web. It's all a bit natural out here. Oh my god, guys, look at this beautiful towel. It's as if they've picked it for me. It's got bees on. Can you even believe it? Do we open this first or last? I feel like this is a treat, so it should probably be last. Let's go last. Right, so this is a very shiny bag of stuff. I'm sorry if I just blinded you. There's a little bit of sun just peeped out from behind the cloud there. So let's crack it open and see what we've got. Ooh. The Ultimate Art Business Course, Leverage Your Art with Stacie Bloomfield. Again, covered in that same gorgeous artwork. I can't get in. I can. It's okay. I'm too excited. I just can't work paper. I can't work plastic. I just need to get in. It's my garden. I'll pick it up later. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Actually been created this year as well. There's the copyright stamp on the back, 2025. Let's have a little look. Oh, this is my workbook. Wow, I'm going to be doing a lot of work. Look how much work I'm going to be doing. Oh, I don't sign up for things by halves, me. You guys know this. So this is my Leverage Your Art workbook. I have to fill in my name like a good girl. Oh, it feels like school. It's too exciting. Wow. I mean, even the workbook is beautiful. I mean, I'm not going to show you too much because I don't imagine they won't be giving away the secrets. But look at the actual designs and the beautiful colours that are included. Absolutely stunning. I'm slightly scared. How many pages have we got? 246 pages. I'm panicking. That's a lot of work, but I can't wait. There's so much information just from reading the pages on the website. I cannot wait. And I get to look at the artwork every day. But next things next, we've got an exciting bag of goodies. So let's break it open and see what we've got. Excuse the crinkling. Ooh, slidey. Oh, I've only got a Blackwing pencil, guys. That's so exciting. I've heard so many people talk about how great these pencils are. Looks like a normal HB one, but it comes with the flat rubber on the end. And I'm told it's absolutely excellent for drawing with, so we shall have to find out. But how nice is that? A Blackwing. Put it safe so it doesn't roll off. Welcome to Leverage Your Art with Stacie Bloomfield. And it says on the back of here, first of all, let me say welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This course was born out of my own experience, navigating the highs, the lows, the doubts, and the dreams of turning art into a sustainable business. So many of us think we need more followers, more time, and more talent, but the truth is you already have what it takes. Take a deep breath. You're in the right place, and we're here cheering you on every step of the way. Warmly, Stacie Bloomfield. And this is the wonderful lady herself, right there on the bag. She's one of the most joyful people I've ever listened to and learned from online. I've been to so many of her free courses, and I thought it was time to take the leap and do the big one. So here we are. And I've just spilled a bunch of my little freebies down there. So we've got a gorgeous little sticker. Oh, that's so true. Dwelling possibility and a gorgeous little magical moth. Now, is that going on my training course book or is that going on my grimoire? Ooh. Let me know where you'd put it, guys. Training course or grimoire? It's very pretty. And another little sticker. This one says, to live is so startling it leaves little time for anything else. Emily Dickinson. And that one is a gorgeous little flower collection. Right, the next thing is, wow, growth happens when you get back up a little faster than before. How pretty is that with the gorgeous kitties? It's also got stunning flower artwork on the back there too. And it's a lovely little greetings card and envelope. I feel so privileged. I thought this was just going to be work stuff and it's not. So I love you because the entire universe conspired to help me find you. Paulo Coelho. Another one of Stacie's greeting cards by Gingiber. That's her brand. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful artwork. Never been one for drawing humans, but she does it so, it's like folk art. It's beautiful. Very plain, simple, but you get all the message. And this one is You Make Everything Bloom. And again, the beautiful artwork. And even the back is stunning with the vines. Another greetings card. I need to find some people I like enough to give these to. Oh wow, we're also getting the side hustle. Stacie's writing a book at the moment and she's pre-ordered a copy for us. Wow. If anybody wants to know more and wants to read the book, go and pre-order now. Your guide to getting started. Again with the brand colours and design. I'm Stacie Bloomfield and I'm beyond thrilled to welcome you to the Leverage Your Art program. Fast facts: 4,719 students have taken Leverage Your Art. Leverage Your Art has been taken by artists from 58 countries, and they have an audience of over 300,000 people across the platforms. So that's a little bit of information for me to read in a little while. Shan't read it while you're washing. I'm a bit of a slow reader. Art licensing glossary. This is a reference document you need to have handy as you embark on the work of art licensing, creating a portfolio of artwork and pitching your work to potential clients. Oops. My avoiding overwhelm pledge. The pledge: I will not let overwhelm steal my joy. Say it with me, say it with Stacie. I will not let overwhelm steal my joy. This program's designed to help you grow your business without going over the top, without getting overwhelmed, and 100% to avoid burnout. So that is Stacie's pledge. I will not let overwhelm steal my joy. Sounds like a good plan. Oh, and this is the syllabus. So I've got a great big syllabus of lots of work, but we've probably guessed that from a 246 page workbook. 5 modules, but it's broke down so well, and it's broken into categories of people who are just starting out and people who are growing, which she's just brought out this year that it's broken out. So it helps you to not get overwhelmed by the course either, because it's all split up into what you can use now and what you can use later. So that's fantastic. And this is what I got a little bit excited about, and it's a little notebook from a course. Oh, that's so exciting. Stunning colours. That's almost my brand colours. Ooh! There's some cute animals on the inside. There's foxes and rabbits and deers and owls and bears. Oh my god, look how cute that is. That's too sweet. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm going to have to use my best writing. It deserves it. That's so cool. Right guys, lots and lots of goodies. It's all blowing away. The wind has just picked up. The sun is beautiful. The weather is lovely, but the ding-dongs are happening down the bottom of the garden. So the wind is up, the wind chime is blowing, and it's time for me to go inside and start doing some work on Leverage Your Art. I'm so excited. I hope you enjoy the things that I'll be creating, inspired by this wonderful course. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've done it. Don't give the game away, but tell me if you're as excited as I am. So I'll leave it there, guys. I will go and work on my first few pages. I've already done a little bit in my scrappy notebook while I'm waiting for this to arrive. So I'll transfer it into my gorgeous new notebook and crack on. We'll see you next time. Have a great day and enjoy everything that makes you happy. Be happy. Toodaloo. I nearly forgot the exciting present. Oh, bet you're glad you waited for end. What am I like? So, here we go. Let's pop that on there. Oh, it feels beautiful. Wow. It says gingerbread tea towel, hand illustrated, flower sack cotton. And the design says bee garden. Oh my god, it is totally designed for me. That's ludicrous. I don't suppose I have to be careful, but I feel like I want to be really careful. That is stunning. Have you even seen that? It's so me. Look at all the bees. Can you even imagine? Oh my god. Stacie and Stacie's team, if you didn't do this on purpose, that is crazy lucky. I can't even. I literally can't even. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to do this course. I really can't even tell you. And on top of that, a beautiful gift covered in bees and flowers. Even the dogs come. Thank you so much. Wow. Gorgeous. Right, I really am ending it there, guys. Have a wonderful day. It's evening here, the sun's setting. I'll show you the sunset at the end. Hope you have a wonderful night. Find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy. Be happy.